Did you know that 71% of the earth is covered with water? So obviously there are going to be homes a variety of organisms here, right? There are aquatic biomes. They are further classified into marine and freshwater biomes. Let's talk about the marine biome. We can say that life in ocean depends on oxygen and also on sunlight. Because lives of animals in the deep depend on the plants as they are their major source of food. And lives of plant in turn depend on sunlight because they need sunlight to make their own food. So these are the most diverse habitats around the world, housing several millions of fishes, whales, sharks, and even underwater plants. Some magnificent creatures rests in the ocean. For example, the mimic octopus, an octopus in the Pacific Ocean that can change its color and mimic other species and predators around it. Apparently, it can mimic up to 15 different species. Think of the survival advantage such an ability creates. Another amazing thing that we can find in the ocean are the coral reefs. These are found in warm tropical waters. It may seem as if there are some non-living stuck in a place thing, but actually the reef system are formed by small animals called cnidarians. The corals are home to some magnificent creatures under the ocean. Freshwater biomes? Well, an interesting fact here is that only 3% of the water in the world is freshwater, and even among those 3%, 70% of fresh water is stuck under polar ice caps, which effectively means you have only 1% that is accessible to humans. So where are these biomes? Well, water bodies like streams, ponds, lakes, and rivers come under freshwater biome. What are the animals that we are thinking about when you think about water? Fishes. A unique animal adaptation observed in certain fishes is that of countershading. Pelagic fish are often colored at the bottom and dark at the top. Due to this coloration, the birds flying atop cannot see this fish easily due to their dark color, while fishes at the bottom do not see them because they are light colored from below. The shape of the body of the fish is another adaptation that helps them swim swiftly in water.
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.